Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how you can create a thank you card for Amazon, Etsy, any type of business. So first you want to click on create a design, then custom dimensions. I already have these dimensions in, which are 5 by 4 inches. So now I'm clicking on create new design. So now that I have my design here guys, I'm going to head over to photos, and then in photos I'm going to type in blue glitter background. Okay, so now I'm going to select this glitter that's popping up, and I'm now just dragging it and positioning it where I need it to be on the card. So that's one. Now I'm just going to duplicate it by highlighting it and heading to this icon that says duplicate at the top right, and then dragging this to place it on the other side as well. I think I'm going to go in and reduce the width a bit. Yeah, hopefully I can get this one to match. Alright, that's looking okay. If anything, I may make them a bit wider if needed further on. Alright, so now I'm going to highlight it once more, and now I need a golden color for the background, so I'm going to play around a bit until I find such a color. So let me go in here to photos. I do have a few options here. I would like this, you see this silk look, I would like that, but if it's just without the ruffles, you know, just that nice look. Now if I go with the background and see what comes up. Alright, we're back to here. Okay. I'm just going to go ahead and play around with these until one of them works for me. Oh, that one just came up nicely and then it did that. Alright, let me try again. There's something about that that's just not working. Okay, let me try this. Okay, so now I have that golden background there, and I'm just going to go ahead now and duplicate this page. So we have page 1, page 2, and the reason for my doing this is because I want to have a back and front section to the card. So see, I'm typing back there so I can know which page is which, and at the top that's going to be the front. Alright, so now that we have this guys, let's go ahead and add some text and other elements to it. So starting off on the front page, I want to add a little heart, so I'm going to go back to elements now, and I'm going to search for frames. Hopefully they have a heart shaped frame that I can work with. Let me just type that in and see if that allows me to find it faster. No, why are they doing this to me? Let me go back in. Right here I'm trying to get a heart to use, but then the one that I've selected doesn't look so right, so I'm just going to use a star instead. Alright, that's good. So now I'm going to go back up to photos, and that same blue background that I used earlier should be on the home page, like right here, recently used, in the recently used section. So I'm just going to drag it and position it within my star. Alright, so that's working. That's good. I may have to reduce the size of some things though, like these blue sides that I have. All right, that's looking nice though, I think. What do you guys think? All right, let's go ahead and add some text. First, I'm going to add the words thank you. So I'm pressing T on the keyboard to get that text box to pop up. Okay, now I need to center them, so I'm just highlighting both and then just dragging it onto that little, you see that pink line that pops up, that allows you to center it properly. Now I'm just heading back to fonts, and the font that I need is Virtual. Let me see if it's popping up. I use it quite a bit, so if it doesn't show here, I'll just type it in. Let me just type it in, save some time. Alright, so here we go. Alright, so now I'm just going to drag to make these words bigger. Okay, add some more text. I want to make these letters uppercase, so let me come up here and click on this. Okay, highlight them again, go to the three dots here, click on this, and it will make it uppercase. So guys, for you could add that there's going to be some sort of discount for your customer who just purchased something from you. So I'm going to type that in now. So there I have this little part here, as you can see, which says enjoy 15% discount on your next purchase with promo code. Of course, word it as you see fit based on what it is you're offering, guys. So below you can I'm just going to go ahead and add the promo code, which is enjoy 15. And then I'm just going to drag and make sure this is centered as well. This needs to be centered. Let me check. Okay, it seems fine. Alright, so this is it, guys. This is the front part. I'm just going to change this enjoy 15 to bold. And let me see if it takes away from up here. So let me not bold it. Alright, that's good. You could do more to this, guys. You could add different text, word things a bit differently, you know, whatever works best for you. So this is going to be the front part of the card, guys. So we're now heading to the back section. So on the back section, want to add a little part where you can put your logo. So for that section, guys, we're going to head back to elements, and we need to find a circle frame or a round frame, or if you want to use star, you could work with a star frame like this one, since this one is popping up already. But let me see if there is any circle. There should be. Okay, here's one. So within this section, guys, you'd want to add your logo. Let me just put a color, which color can go with this now? I don't want to mess up the vibe of this thing. I'll just make it white. Yeah, make it white. I think it's throwing off my design a bit, but I am just going to leave it at that and add some text in there. So you would just add your logo in there. I'm just putting that text in there to say add logo, whatever your logo is. So, and then below that you could do like a call to action. You know, if you want them to visit your whatever social media page you have, you can add some text for that below. So I'm going to just type that in. So visit my, I'm gonna say Facebook page for fabulous deals. Of course, again guys, right here you can reword it, word it however you see fit, whatever works best for you. And then for the last part, I'm going to add some more text. For that text, guys, whatever name your business has, that's what you could put there. I'm just going to put at my page, you know, whatever yours is, you could just go ahead and do that. Alright, so that's centered. So let me just put it on one page, selecting grid view, so you can see what we have. So this is it, guys, a front and a back section. So guys, to go about printing this, of course you want to download this, you know, to your device, and I'd suggest that you download it as a PDF file or PNG, whichever one it is. But when you're printing them, so download both pages at the same time. It would be best if you select the PDF, although it says small file or PDF print, right? So you can get high quality multi-page document. Select that one and download it. And then when you're printing with that business card or the card for this, you select page one. So you select odd or even number page. So page one would be the front, so you select page one, so it only prints on that side. And then now to print the second side, which is the back, what you would do is to just turn the card around, select only page 2 and print again, and so you should have it on both sides of the card. Let me know if that works for you guys. Also, let me know what you think of this design for a thank you card. Okay guys, so that's it for today. Feel free to ask any questions you may have in the comment section and I'll respond to you. Until my next video guys, I'll talk to you then. Goodbye.